All right, I know it's been a little while since I gave you an update on the Nova. Currently, I am trying to figure out how the Holley Performance EFI stuff works for my Terminator X Max. So I'm going to show you all real quick how to download that because you can do that way before you even have it in the car and kind of mess with it. So you go to Holley and then at the top right, go to support, then fuel injection, then scroll over here to the Terminator X Max. Then let's see here. This has everything. So your digital dash, a whole bunch of stuff I have no idea about. But if we go down to this one, Terminator X V3, you click that, it says right here it supports the 6L80, also a 4L80, which I have. And you see it downloading up here. And this is a Surface Pro 7. The reason I got this over a laptop is with the intention that I can take this keyboard off and I'm gonna have this mounted, it's super thin, have this mounted on the, like where your radio normally is, so I can have the radio and everything right there in the center. Play music, stuff like that. And I can just leave this in here all the time instead of having a computer to take in and out. So I got it's downloaded up there. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Let's go down here. Maybe it's on the desktop. Nope, it's not on the desktop. Where'd it go? Let me click it again and see what it does. Okay, there it is right there. So now open file. Do I really want to do it? Yes, of course. Terminator X. Yes. Create desktop shortcut. Yes, so I can find it easier. And this is all real time of me actually doing it, so it doesn't take a long time, but this allows you to mess with it before you actually have it, in the car trying to turn it on for the first time, um, which is good. I don't know what that is. Close. Yes. All right, here we go. Ready to install. Install. Next. And finish. I think that's it. Finish. All right, we're in. So once we're in, you want to create a new global file since I don't have a car already set up. And you're going to go to sensors up here. Now, all right, ignore what I just said. You're going to go to open global file at there at the top, and then it asks you like a couple basic questions, and it already sets up like the initial stuff for you. So the base calibrations, boom. Then I'm going to click GM, and then LS, and then I'm going to go over here to turbocharged 58 tooth 4L80, boom. And some stuff I probably just cut out because I was messing with this for like 5-10 minutes, and then I finally figured this out. So I was going through here and manually putting in 8 cylinders, 6-liter, gasoline, multi-port. Like I was doing all this, but turns out if you do it that way, it does it all for you. And then it looks like this is like the base tune setup for your car. So I think it'll pretty much start on this. From what I've watched other YouTube videos, like this will get it going pretty much, and then you can tune it from there. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here for the next, I don't know, week or so, trying to go through here and maybe set up some of these. Where did I look at that earlier? Some of these sensors and stuff like that to right over here. You can set up like your oil pressure sensor and different things like that. So when it's time to actually start the car for the first time, uh, you kind of have an idea of what is going on with your ECU stuff because you've messed around with this before. So yeah, if you didn't know how to download it, now you do, and you can get on here and it's free for everybody to mess around with. So if you're thinking about getting a Holley system and you're curious on how it works, you can kind of get on here way ahead of time and see what it's all about. Pretend you have a car and you can type in what your stuff is on here to see what it looks like. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing for the next week, kind of getting familiar with how all this stuff works so I'm not clueless when it's time to actually get the car going. But yeah, if this was helpful, leave a like on the video and I'll see you on the next one.